This my container is actually very big, so you can use a smaller container. I'm making use of what I have now, so you can use a smaller container. Guys, welcome to Able Media. So this is Chioma with the charming smile. Yes, so today I'll be teaching you guys simple ways, or I'll be sharing a recipe on how to get rid of dandruff and lice from your hair. If you notice that you always scratch your hair, you also have white patches on your hair often, then this recipe is for you. So we'll be using our isopropyl alcohol, some call it spirit, and our menthol. You can use this type. You can also use the one that is in crystal form. So I'll be mixing these two. I'll be mixing these two inside this container. So firstly, I'm going to take. I'm using, this is half teaspoon of our menthol. Depending on the quantity you want to make, I'm going to be using, let's just say I use 1 teaspoon. Oh, wow, this is not coming off. So I'm just going to add my alcohol to help take it down. I'm going to be using 100 ml of alcohol. Okay, that's it. There. So I have mixed my, or I have combined my alcohol and my menthol inside this container. So all I have to do now is shake, shake, shake. Just keep shaking till everything diffuses in very well. It's actually a very easy procedure. It doesn't take time. Can you see? I still have a little more of the menthol to dissolve. Woo! This my container is actually very big, so you can use a smaller container. I'm making use of what I have now, so you can use a smaller container. So after mixing it, this is it, and we're good to go. I'll just take a little amount and sprinkle on my hair. Then I use my hand to take it back, massage it onto my scalp. If you have cotton wool, you can actually take a little, pour it into the cotton wool and then use it to clean your scalp. You can do that for 1 week, 2 weeks, and I promise you both the dandruff, the lice, whatever you are battling is going to disappear. It has this cooling effect. If you have a very sensitive scalp, it's just going to give you that kind of would I say, not really burning sensation, because it's actually cool, but you're going to feel a little bit of the menthol on your scalp, but that's all. This is safe and okay for you. So Will you be trying this recipe? If you have anybody that have been battling dandruff, you can actually share this recipe with them and help save them from continuous dandruff. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Do well to subscribe and like. Also leave a comment. See you guys.